Come down. We're going to do corner to corner, but with a kick. And the song's pretty fast for the kick, so it won't be a big kick. March in place. Take a deep breath in. You gotta let that heart rate come down. It's not all about steady state, long steady state anymore. It's about hit, corner, and kick. Give it a punch forward. Hold that tummy in. Whoop. Almost had a blooper there. Good, keep going. Can't get too high. Watch the knees. There we go. We're going 15 more seconds. Oh, I'm feeling my intensity. Okay, keep going. Oh, no, we can stop. March in place. Oh, good one. That was a good one. Now this one's going to be, and I'm glad the song's a little slower. We're going to go across the step and back that way. Okay, I'll show you. It can be real simple. Step, step, tap. Or you can even just keep the tap on the top. You can make it big if you want. You pick what you want to do. You can make windmills and a little hop all the way across. Make sure you don't fall off. You can even do this on the floor if you want, if your intensity is too much. These are our windmills on the floor. You don't have to add impact. You can step, step. I'm feeling good today, so I'm getting a little hop. My knees are feeling great. Good. Hold that tummy in. Big arm circles if you want, or you can be right here. Oh, the song's over. That was a fun one. Short. Oh boy. That's a fast one. March in place. Hold that tummy in. Big arm circles if you want, or you can be right here. Oh, the song's over. That was a fun one. Short. Oh boy. That's a fast one. March in place.